The Asus ROG Phone 9 Pro is a high-performance gaming smartphone that combines cutting-edge hardware with innovative features to deliver an unparalleled mobile gaming experience. At its core, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU with 2 high-performance cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 3.53 GHz, alongside the Adreno 830 GPU, ensuring exceptional processing power and graphics performance. The phone offers substantial memory configurations, including options with 16 GB or 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and storage capacities of 512 GB or 1 TB utilizing UFS 4.0 technology, providing ample space and swift data access for gaming and multimedia needs. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, supports a 185 Hz refresh rate in Game Genie mode, and delivers peak brightness up to 2500 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth gameplay. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, enhancing durability. For photography, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is equipped with a versatile triple camera system, including a 50MP wide-angle lens with gimbal OIS, a 32MP telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom, and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, while the front-facing camera features a 32MP sensor for high-quality selfies. The device houses a robust 5,800 mAh battery supporting 65W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 10W reverse charging, ensuring extended usage and quick power replenishment. Additional features include IP68/IP69K dust and water resistance, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to diverse connectivity needs. The ROG Phone 9 Pro also introduces the Anime Vision feature, utilizing 648 mini LEDs on the back to display customizable patterns and animations, and even allows users to play classic arcade-style games directly on the rear panel, adding a unique interactive element to the device. Running on Android 15 with ROG UI, the phone offers a tailored interface optimized for gaming, and Asus promises up to 2 major Android updates and 5 years of security updates, ensuring longevity and security. The ROG Phone 9 Pro is available in Storm White and Phantom Black color options, and the retail package includes accessories such as the AeroActive Cooler X Pro, which enhances cooling during intensive gaming sessions and integrates additional controls for an improved gaming experience.